Well, the truth is that I'm very concerned about these tensions with Venezuela and that unacceptable dictatorship that has ruined its entire population. But anyway, I won't explain why, even though I'm on the bridge between Bogota and Colombia, Germany. What I'm trying to do is raise the bar to protect my American population from the toxic and nasty medicines that this unacceptable Venezuelan president sends, who always ruins the Venezuelan population.
មើលការពិតគឺខ្ញុំមិនដឹងថាមានជនជាតិកូឡុំប៊ីច្រើនម្លេះប្រើពាក្យកូឡុំប៊ីទាំងនោះដោយរបៀបណាទេខ្ញុំមិនយល់ឬនិយាយភាសាអេស្ប៉ាញទេ
Although my life is very premature, the truth is I don't need that much help. So, with this user, some of good, some of bad, and they always bother many colleagues, and the truth is they don't have much consistency.